Claim, did a survey reveal time bomb after screening 2.93 lakh women in Maharashtra for cancer? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A tweet posted on 12 July 2025 by NDTV India claimed that a cancer time bomb had exploded in Maharashtra, with 14,000 women affected. The accompanying video provided more details about the screening efforts conducted in the Hingoli district, where the report was described as nothing less than a ticking time bomb of illness. A cancer bomb in Maharashtra, 14,000 women diagnosed from one district. Find the tweet, which has gained nearly 190,000 views, below. An extrapolation of the same can be seen here. Essentially, this news has suggested that there are about 14,500 women who would emerge as the victims of cancer. Fact check. Truth, misleading. It refers to the screening result and cancer-like symptoms rather than confirmed cases. Only 12 women were actually diagnosed. Fact check details. While this is certainly concerning in all ways possible, the claims in the post are not what they exactly suggest. For instance, 39 seconds into the video, one frame suggests that 14,000, meaning 14,000 women, were found to have potential cancer.
तरफ से आरोग्य विभाग के माध्यम से 2.5 करोड़ लोगों की, खास करके महिलाओं की आरोग्य तपासनी हम लोग कर रहे हैं। इस आरोग्य तपासनी में हम लोग जो प्रिवेंशन इज द बेटर देन क्योर, ऐसा ही काम हम लोग कर रहे हैं कि जिसके माध्यम से सभी लोगों की जांच पड़ताल निकल रहे हैं। इसके माध्यम से हम लोगों को हिंगोली में 3 लाख लोगों की हेल्थ चेकअप हमने किया है। हेल्थ चेकअप करने के बाद 3 लाख लोगों में केवल 19 लोग 190 मतलब 19 लोग जो है उनके बारे में थोड़ा कैंसर का लक्षण दिखता है। बहुत सारी कुछ अखबारों में ऐसा भी आया है या कुछ मीडिया में कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ है कि कुछ बहुत सारे लोगों को कैंसर हुआ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। उलट सुलट जो कुछ जो अखबारों में कुछ खबरें है, मैं आपके माध्यम से कहना चाहता हूं कि हिंगोली में 3 लाख जो हम लोगों ने तपासनी की, मतलब चेकअप किए, हेल्थ चेकअप किए 3 लाख महिलाओं की, उसमें सिर्फ 19 महिलाओं को कैंसर का लक्षण है। बाकी
The Print and the NDTV quoted a PTI report which quoted Maharashtra Health Minister informing the State Assembly that the survey called Sanjeevani was undertaken to survey nearly 2.93 lakh women since 8 March 2025. However, in the same tone, the minister said that only 12 were confirmed to have cancer at the time of reporting. This includes 3 cases of uterine cancer, 1 case of breast cancer, and 8 cases of oral cancer. The article in print can be found here. All reports quoting the PTI news agency have made it clear that a total of 2,92,996 were surveyed since 8 March there, during which they had to answer a questionnaire related to cancer symptoms, and 12 have so far been found with cancer. However, to conclude that all 14,542 women found with cancer-like symptoms would be future cancer patients would make it far-fetched exaggeration. Hence, the claim is misleading. Claim: 14,000 women in Maharashtra have been diagnosed with cancer. Conclusion: misleading. It refers to the screening result and cancer-like symptoms rather than confirmed cases. Only 12 women were actually diagnosed. Rating: misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit I India.